The birthday list begins with Jacob Denman, celebrating number 15. Jacob, a very happy birthday to you in Nevada.
Zaylin Baldwin turning sweet 16 today in Oswego. Hope you have a great birthday, Zaylin.
In Jasper, Amber Jennings, celebrating her 31st birthday. Miss Amber, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and we've got Lisa
Hey
Lawrence. Oh, you better watch it. She's headed into the danger zone. Lisa is 51 in Joplin.
Kelly McGillis better not see that picture, Lisa. Or maybe Lisa would take down Kelly McGillis. I don't know. Could be. You know what we love to say? We got a boogie birthday. Yes, Miss Haley. Haley, a very happy birthday to you. Hope you get to enjoy your summer vacation, man. Thank you for everything that you've done as she celebrates in Frontenac.
All right, out in Persons, we've got an anniversary to celebrate. Les and Deb Green are celebrating 47 years together. What a wonderful picture of the Greens.
Tom and Pat Christie, they are celebrating their 51st anniversary over the weekend. Tom happens to be one of our 4-state heroes. So Tom, thank you for your service. Tom and Pat, congratulations as they celebrate more than half a century in Fort Scott.
All right, and Richard and Betty Craig are celebrating 64 years together. There's a little throwback picture for the Craigs in Baxter Springs. We've got love from Mo, Trish, and in loving memory of their son, Rich.
That's a great picture right there. Susie Cook is celebrating her 108th birthday. Look at the cake. Look at Miss Susie. And a crown fitting for a queen. Susie, a happy birthday from all of us here at KOAM and Fox 14. I hope you had just a marvelous birthday celebration. And thank you for letting us celebrate with you, Miss Cook. And once again, Susie Cook turning 108.
All right.
That is tremendous. I got a question here on this next. Say what?
Love her smile.
Yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect. I got a question here on this next one. You've been in the studio, right? He knows where we work. He could have emailed it in. He could have gone to the website. He could have dropped it off. No. Mr. Clifford decided that he would rather just have text for him and Pam. All right, I see how it is. But Clifford and Pam weren't. They are celebrating their 48th anniversary. So Clifford, know that we love you. Miss Pam, we love you for tolerating Mr. Clifford, who works out at Connected Culture. They are in Webb City.
All right.
David and Shani Hunley, 49 years. The Hunleys, they had an anniversary just several days ago. They celebrate in Joplin, and look, this is amazing. 48, 49. We start with Susie, you know. Well, look, actually, go back to Les and Deb Green. Listen to these anniversaries that we got here: 47, 51, 64, 48, 49, and now 53 for Calvin and Marcia Bradney. That is absolutely amazing. Congratulations to Calvin and Marcia as they celebrate in Columbus. And you think about all those years, Tanya, and then we also get to celebrate with Miss Susie and 108. That is absolutely an amazing birthday and anniversary list for today. Here's where you can send